got a secret. These cars have been hidden away in my garage for the last 16 years. It's not that I haven't wanted to start. But sometimes life just gets in the way. This car is a 1966 Volkswagen Beetle Type 1. I acquired the car when I was 17 years of age. It was originally created as a Baja Beetle. This is a 1965 Beetle, a Beetle Type 1. So my grand plan was to sell the 66 and work on the 65. But 16 years later, they're still here. So my garage is full of cars that don't go anywhere. Did you ever have a project that was so mind-numbingly large that you just didn't know where to start? That it all just seems too difficult. I can't be alone. There must be some kindred spirits somewhere who can understand my dilemma. Trapped, paralysed, but I think I know where to go. Come with me. I do have one that works. I'm not a heathen. This is my 2008 Mark V Golf GTI, and it goes. Let's go find some people who are kindred spirits. Here we drive on the left side, which is the right side. See, the point is that I'm not alone in my obsession, and today just happens to be 2022 German auto show, the Gas, where I get to meet up with people with their own obsessions. Gas is an annual event hosted by the BMW drivers and Volkswagen Auto Clubs and brings the best of German vehicles together in one spot for one day. If I can't find inspiration for my project here, I don't know where else to look. Actually has valves.
Yes. It's a valve radio. You turn it on and then it warms up. If you like AM stations,
Yes.
it's yours.
Yep.
Oh, that works very well. The old fuel gauge. I mean, we haven't fully finished with this car, but there are a few other things that I want to do and I need to get onto it too. And I need to get off my arse and do them.
That's what I'm going to do. I've got a 1965 Beetle and a 1966 Beetle sitting in my garage. It's been there for 16 years.
Beautiful. There we go. Nice. Yeah, unreal. There'd be a fair amount of barn dust sitting on top of them there.
What's your tip to get it off the ground?
The tip is it's like the Pringles theory, isn't it? Once you pop, you can't stop. So once you start, you be flying. And just chip away. Yeah, and just take on one little bit at a time. Don't try and get little bits going all over the place. If you're not inspired after leaving this car show, then something's wrong. So there's enough inspiration there.
Just going to give it to you.
Yeah. You got any tips?
Retire.
Retire.
And then you need a passion, right?
That's it. I'm going to retire. Yes, dear. Two, three. Shit.